What up? All right, so the adventure on the blob eye begins. Um, so I picked this up for a good price a couple days ago, and the person I bought it from said that they had gone through and basically pulled the motor, replaced all of the gaskets and everything, which is good and bad. I don't know how much I always trust other people's ability to work on cars. So pretty much going to be going through this thing anyway. So it's really not a big deal to me. But there's a lot of little things on this thing. Let's see here. Let's go through it. All right, so I've already pulled off the front bumper, which I have right over there. So this fender, this one I think I can save. It's definitely been, I hit it with a rattle can, I think. So it is not smooth. This is all pretty smooth. So the rest of the body's decent. Doesn't have like these corners here good. Door's locked. Power locks work. So like all of this is pretty solid. Got some STI fog light covers. I haven't really gone through this thing yet as far as cleaning out the interior. Back seats are in nice shape. Trunk was a disaster. Did come with an extra oil pan, an extra intercooler, a bunch of extra case bolts, a busted hood scoop, which I just happen to have another one. And it appears that they didn't feel like taking off the headlight covers or the headlights to spray clear. I have no idea what's on here. Like, I don't know. I've already ordered new lenses, so I'm just gonna pop these off and do an amber delete anyway. So let's see what else. It's missing AC compressor, which isn't a big deal. I probably would have, I don't know if I would have deleted it or not, but what else? They have this run as like the vacuum hose to the wastegate actuator, which is it's not going to stay that way. That's just goofy. One of the headlight side marker clips is missing. It's got one connector still and one random wire hanging out. Let's see what else. Power steering wasn't working. But if they had the motor out, I could totally see that just being a matter of having to bleed it. Okay, there's a couple other things. Oh yeah, this one. Vacuum reference under the turbo was just hanging out there. I clamped it because I already smoke tested everything. Shockingly, that and the gasket around the mass airflow was those were the only two things leaking. So I already threw a new O-ring on that. That's good. Man, I don't know. Like, I'm just gonna go through this thing, see what we can do. This fender, that fender might be pretty toast. We'll see what I can hammer out of that. I don't know. I might get some STI fenders anyway. we'll see how I feel. But yeah, it'll be an adventure for sure. So stay tuned. I haven't really decided what I'm going to do next, except for definitely taking the intercooler off. I do have my old STI intercooler here from the RA, so I'll probably pop that on there. Especially since I want to get this bypass valve off that they sealed with gasket maker. Don't ask. Honestly, I don't know. Fuel filter looks new, so that's cool. Let's see. Brakes need to be bled because they pretty much go to the floor. I'm pretty sure. I mean, no AC compressor. Has the lines though, at least. So, yeah, man. Stay tuned. It'll be an adventure, but we'll see what we can pull out of this thing and see if we can't make her purdy again. 'Cause it's, you know, she needed my help. What can I do? Right? All right. Peace.